This is the mall class dance for the Jacksonville movement assembly. There we go. Start with your right hand, step out, and close together with your left. Then go down, come back up to the right, and then bring it back together with your left. Go down again, come up. Slide out to the left, and put your arms together. Then bounce down, like you're kind of bouncing on your heels. Bounce down, close back together. And then you have your arms together like this. You come from here, you jump forward, then you come back up.